Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your birds on Angry Birds 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Angry Birds game, and if you have been playing 4th and you have completed the tutorial, then you will gain access to level 1. After you have completed level 1, you will receive a key which you can use to unlock any bird from the list of given characters. After you unlock a bird, you will also gain access to the second level. So you can simply tap on the play button from this point on and you will be able to change birds. Just wait until the level is loaded up, and now when your characters appear, you will be able to see that there is an additional card for a character at the bottom left corner. You can simply tap on this character and the character within the slingshot will change as well. You can just use any character that you wish by tapping on the card within any level after you have unlocked the character. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your birds on Angry Birds 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.